Mag-asawang John Estrada at Priscilla Mayreles muling nagkasama sa birthday ng kanilang anak na si Anechka. 13 years old na nga ang kanilang anak, kaya naman talagang todo celebrate sila at syempre bonggang-bongga ang handaan para sa nag-iisa nilang anak. Panoorin at kung hindi pa nakasubscribe, don't forget to click subscribe and hit the notification bell to keep you updated. Bukod nga kay John Estrada, invited din ang tatlong anak ni Janice de Belen na half-sibling naman nitong si Anechka. Lahat nga ay open sa kanyang celebration. No hate na nga ngayon dahil nga maski ang kanyang mga parents na si John Estrada at Priscilla Mayreles ay okay na rin. Maayos na rin naman ang kanilang co-parenting style. Dati-rati kasi ay parang mistulang hindi nag-uusap pa mag-asawa, pero ngayon nga ay lumalaki na talaga itong si Cheska. Maayos na ang kanilang pagsasama. Time flies so fast at may teenager na nga anak itong si Priscilla Mayreles kay John Estrada. At ito nga ay lumalaking napakaganda, napakatangkad na tila ba pagdating ng panahon ay magiging beauty queen din kagaya ng kanyang mami Priscilla. Proud na proud naman itong si John Estrada sa kanyang anak kay Priscilla. Talagang kasing napakaganda nito at syempre love na love nga siya nito at hindi pwede mawala si John Estrada sa birthday niya dahil parehong love ni Anechka ang kanyang parents. Kaya naman alang-alang kay Anechka, sumama rin ito ang si Priscilla para happy family sila sa mismong celebration ng anak. Mensahe nga ni Priscilla sa kanya nag-iisang anak na ngayon nga ay teenager na, in what feels like the blink of an eye. 13 years have flown by and I can hardly believe it. My little girl is now a teenager. There's so much to celebrate, cherish and remember. And I can't help but feel a wave of nostalgia for the moments we've shared. Change is upon us and I'm filled with excitement to embrace it together, helping her to reach for the stars. One thing will always remain true, no matter what path she chooses, no matter the challenges she faces, my unwavering support will always be there for her. She'll forever be my baby, and my love for her knows no bounds. You are my heart, and I treasure you with everything I have and everything I am. You are the one constant in my life that I will never regret. Happy 13th birthday to my number one BFF and my first and only true love. Here's to many beautiful memories together. Marami naman din na nagpahatid ng kanilang pagbati kay Anechka. Mula kay Dollywood 922. Ow, so touching amiga. How time flies. I still remember the Peppa Pig themed 7th birthday bash of Anechka. What a lovely and smart girl she is. You raised her well. You are the gift that she was born with. Excited to see you both on Saturday. Thanks for the invite, amiga. Love ya. At mula naman sa iba pang mga tagahanga, happy birthday to your lovely daughter, Anechka. Have a birthday that's as lovely as you. At hindi nga maubusan ng mensahe itong si Priscilla para sa kanyang anak na ngayon ay isang teenager. My love, my heart explodes with joy at the thought of your happiness. As your mother and your all-time best friend, nothing makes me happier than seeing you smile. I would literally move mountains just to keep that joy shining on your face. Now that you're diving into the amazing adventure of your teenage years at 13, always remember that I'll be your biggest cheerleader, rooting for you at every turn. Whenever you need a helping hand or someone to guide you, I'll be right here, ready to jump in. Thank you for being such an outstanding daughter, friend, and incredible human being. With your heart of gold, remarkable talents, and a radiant spirit, you have so much to give to the world. I can't wait to see you spread your wings and soar into everything you're destined to become. Always carry in your heart that knowledge that my love for you knows no bounds. It reaches far beyond the stars and lasts forever. A special shout out to Nice Print for capturing these beautiful moments as you embark on this exciting new chapter in your life. With all my love, Mommy. At syempre may inihanda ring performance itong si Mami Priscilla para sa kanyang anak at manonood. Napakadami nga nilang naging bisita at syempre ang mga ito ay very close sa kanilang puso. Ngayon nga ay syempre nag-enjoy din si Mami Priscilla. Kitang-kita rin ang kanyang pagbabago dahil mas lalo pa siyang gumanda at sumeksi ngayon. Marami nga ang natutuwa dahil nga ang anak nga raw na si Anechka nitong si Miss Priscilla ay sumusunod sa kanyang yapak. Napakagandang bata at napakatangkad. Grabe, ang ganda niyo po lalo, bumabata. Sabi dito ng isang commenter, napansin ang look ni Miss Priscilla na mas bumabata pa nga ngayon. Another beauty queen in the making. Happy birthday, Anechka. Happy 13th birthday, beautiful Anechka. May all your wishes be granted in so many beautiful blessings. Masayang masaya naman si Priscilla tuwing binabati ang kanyang anak ng magaganda at nice word.